Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your health with Cigna, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding your health insurance is the first step. Visit the Cigna website to explore available plans. You can also use the Cigna mobile app for easy access. Create an account to manage your coverage online. Review the types of plans offered by Cigna. Consider what health services you may need. Look for preventive care options included in your plan. Check for network providers in your area. Choose a primary care physician that fits your needs. Make sure to understand your out-of-pocket costs. Know your deductibles and copays before accessing services. Schedule a health assessment with your chosen provider. Take advantage of wellness programs offered by Cigna. Utilize Cigna's online resources for health tips and information. Participate in health coaching if you need additional support. Keep track of your medical records and appointments. Regularly review your health plan as your needs change. Ask questions if you don't understand any part of your coverage. Contact Cigna customer service for personalized assistance. Stay informed about Cigna's updates and new services. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your health with Cigna. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.